I think my wig shifted. Girl, we had a time tonight. Girl, we had a time tonight. Hello, gorgeous, and welcome to another video. This is going to be a get ready with me with hair and makeup featuring Junoda Wigs. This is my first time wearing a unit from them, so I'm excited about it. Now, y'all, please stop sending me these light hair caps that I can't do nothing with. The hair is absolutely beautiful. The cuticles were amazing. Now the parting space is small. It's HD lace, right? But it is 4x4. It's got the baby hairs and it's a beautiful body wave. Get into the description box for all the details. Now let's get into this install. What we're not going to do is talk about these two holes in the stocking cap that Nidra burned into the stocking cap with the dryer. This stocking cap was brand new out of the pack. I just want to say that. Now, this is the parting space that we have. Again, it is a 4x4. And in order to make sure that I had a side part, we had to turn it to the side. But if you can get into that melt, well, the melt that's coming in that Ultra HD lace, listen, it really melted into my skin. I mean, honestly, very minimum plucking that was having to be done, and the hairline was extremely natural. Now, we did tint the lace with my makeup because it was very much so giving flashback camera, giving ashy, but it's a body wave unit. Very good hair. Minimal shedding. I really love this unit. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all to it. Let's get into it.
issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding grudges, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Please forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, we say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. If you let your gun down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Baby, why wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah. Get through to you. Yeah. If you let the guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that.
Hey you guys, so we made it all the way to the end of doing my makeup, girl. So let's take down these pins and see what we got to work with. This girl, yes ma'am. Come on, Junoda. So listen, I'm not, y'all, don't come for me because I'm not 100% sure on the pronunciation. It's Junoda wig. Listen, I will put all of the information down below in the description box. Now let me tell you what I really liked about this unit. It is HD lace, and as you can tell, girl, what lace. Now I'm gonna be honest, when I first pulled it out, I was a little bit concerned and nervous because it was giving me a little bit of like roughness. It's a little harder than I would like for it to be. There wasn't a whole lot of parting space, and it was really made to be more of a central parting. However, y'all know I don't do center parts, but in this instance we went ahead and pulled it to the side and did a side part. So this is the makeup look that I decided to go with. I love a bronzy, natural, fresh beat, and I really like this unit. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I am going to be wearing it tonight to my friend date with Brittany. So listen, let me know exactly what you think, what your thoughts are about the makeup look. Minus this shiny bump I got right here, girl, because listen, we're not gonna focus on the negative, okay? We're gonna focus on the positive. I love this. really, this is definitely me, and it's definitely giving, and it's definitely pretty. So shout out to Junoda wig, you guys. I will put the link down below in the description box. I really do like the HD lace. I did have to tint it to match my skin complexion. If you are lighter than me, then of course you would not have that issue. There was very minimum change that I had to do with this particular unit, and minimal shedding. That's a big point. Minimal shedding. So I would give Junoda hair an 8 out of 10. Only because this particular unit, I would have liked to see that lace to be a little bit more transparent instead of HD. I would have liked a more transparent lace. Other than that, I absolutely love it, and I would 100% recommend the unit and working with the company. Due to Hurricane Ian, we were behind. So they sent me this unit actually in September. So I've had it. It's almost been a month, and they haven't given me a hard time. So thank you so much for collaborating with this. Get ready with me. It is almost 5:15, and I got to get to Orlando. So I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Stay tuned, girl. I actually have an outfit and a quick friendship date coming next. This look was really cute, and I wore it out to see Brittany. So stay tuned so that way you can see exactly where we went and what I wore.